and gentlemen, welcome to Bluesun liquid cooling battery cabinet installation site. Liquid cooling battery pack, high voltage control box, PCS inverter, and a liquid cooling unit and a fire extinguish device. All these modules will be integrated into this cabinet, and it will be look like this. Now the workers are entering the installation site. Are you ready? Let's go! We'll start by installing the batteries. Our workers are ready. Each battery is 350 kg. Putting such heavy batteries into the cabinet must be not easy task, but they look incredibly relaxed. The team operates well and it looks very easy. We can see how convenient the batteries are placed. 3 skilled workers work together perfectly, and now all the batteries are in place. Less than 35 minutes. They are so professional. Wow, professional. Then they install the inverter. The installation went very smoothly. Perfect! This liquid cooling unit is 150 kg. They will prove their skill again. So fast! Wow, that was lightning fast. They finished in just 1 minute. Now they are installing the fire extinguishing device. Wow, powerful! Now, all the modules are in the cabinet, and they'll be fixing them in place. Wow! Practice makes perfect. Less than 1 hour, all the work is done perfectly. Like this liquid cooling battery cabinet, we can dispatch 10 sets every day. Bluesun's new standard all-in-one solution. Fantastic! The next step is cable winding and conduit installation, followed by system testing. Are you looking forward to it? Follow me. See you next time.